Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, it's a 48-inch Sony LED TV. Here you can see this is the model number 48R47V. See friends, now we open the back cover of the TV. This is the motherboard and it's a 48-inch Samsung panel is used in this TV. Here the complaint is vertical lines along with double image. So now let us power on the TV. Then I will show you the fault. See friends, now the TV is turned on. Here you can see this is the fault. These types of complaints are mainly due to internal shorting in gate signals inside the glass panel. The shorting may be either from the left side or right side of the glass panel. If both sides of the panel is short, then it is not repairable. We can repair this fault if the shorting is with any one side of the panel. It just only a temporary solution and the permanent solution is panel replacement. So remember friends, it just only a temporary solution. The permanent solution is panel replacement. See friends, now we remove the panel frame. See friends, this is the scalar board. These are the CKV lines from the left side of the panel. See friends, and these are the gate signal tracks from the right side of the panel. So to confirm the complaint is in which side, here I am going to remove the left side FFC cable. See friends, now we removed the left side FFC cable. So the next step is to power on the TV and check the picture. If after disconnecting the left side FFC cable, the half side picture is okay, then it means that the problem is with the left side. If picture is not okay, then the problem is with the right side. See friends, now the TV is turned on. Here you can see the complaint is still there. So this means that the panel right side is short. So we need to now reconnect the left side FFC cable. Then we need to cut down the right side gate signal tracks. If both sides of the panel is short, then it is not repairable. So we need to cut down these gate signal tracks. So friends, here we cut down the right side gate signal tracks, but unfortunately the left side gate signal tracks is also short. Because of that, this panel is not repairable and the complaint remains same. You can see. So in this situation, panel replacement is the only solution to repair this TV. See friends, this is the current situation. So we need to replace the panel to repair this TV. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.